When lifting your vehicle's suspension, the angle in which your axle operates is going to change. To help our customers get maximum performance from their truck, GSP has expanded our CV axle offering to introduce our extended travel CV axles Extreme Duty Plus XDP. Proper CV axle removal and installation procedures are important to the performance and life of the new CV axle and its connecting components. Please review the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations before removing or installing components. Here are the tools that will be needed for the installation. Let's begin with removing your factory CV axle. First, raise the vehicle to the appropriate height and remove the lug nuts and wheel. Secure the vehicle with safety stands. Next, remove the brake caliper and rotor. The brake caliper should be supported, not hanging freely. Remove the axle nut using an axle nut socket. If applicable, disconnect the ABS sensor wire from its mating connector point, usually located in the wheel well or on the chassis frame. Before removing anything, make a note of the proper positioning of all components for easy reassembly. Remove the bolts that attach the bearing to the steering knuckle. A puller may be required to remove the hub assembly from the knuckle. Care should be taken not to damage the knuckle or axle shaft. Remove the old axle. Removal of the axle may require special tools, such as a slide hammer. Clean area of any debris or burrs. At this time, perform the GSP corner check. Check all other associated parts and components, such as the intermediate shaft, half shaft seal, to ensure they are clear of any damages. It is important to provide a thorough diagnosis, as replacements could uncover other issues. Now you're ready to install your new GSP CV axle. Confirm splines on the new CV axle match the existing transmission output shaft or intermediate shaft. You should not have to force the CV axle into position. If you encounter any resistance, you may want to inspect for damage. If equipped, confirm the C-clip is fully engaged on the inboard joint. Failure to ensure engagement could result in extensive damage or safety issues. Reinstall the hub bearing assembly. Torque the knuckle to bearing mounting bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications using a torque wrench. Confirm the splines on the axle shaft match the wheel hub bearing splines. Carefully position the two components so the splines are not damaged during the process. If applicable, reattach ABS sensor. Install the axle nut. Tighten the nut to the vehicle manufacturer's torque recommendations using a torque wrench. Reattach the wheel and torque the lug nuts. Follow the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations regarding torque specification and retorque requirements. It is recommended to perform an alignment anytime work has been done to the vehicle's suspension and steering system. Don't let a broken CV axle hold you back. GSP's Extreme Duty Plus XDP CV axles provide an easy, hassle-free installation. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information. GSP, quality, driven, performance.